Good morning. We're doing something a little bit different today. We are fishing the Gan River, which I have fished many times before, but we're fishing more urban area. I'm putting right in Gan. There's actually a kayak launch here, and I've fished from this little kayak launch just from the shore a few times, and every time I've caught smallies right in here. So figured I'd put in here, and we'll see how we do here. Look at how crazy unfortunate this is. Not only did a tree fall on their dock, but they had their canoe on their dock when the tree fell on it. Damn, what time is it? Over an hour and a half. Took me to see my first fish, and he missed it. What is that? Is that a fox? Yep. Fox running across the bridge. Oh my god. What the hell? You sure that was just you that made that splash? Wowza, look at that. Well, the fruits of our labor. I think I've been out here for about 2 hours. That is the third bite I've had, and the first fish I've caught. Can't believe how slow it's been, especially considering, like I said, I've bank fished in that starting area a few times, and I've caught fish there every time. It's probably been an hour and a half until I got my first bite. Hey, buddy. Can we catch any fish under the 401 now? Alright, so it's at this point in the video that once again I switched my camera over to time-lapse mode, so we're gonna have to enjoy this last catch in fast forward. I have since discovered a setting on my GoPro to lock the screen, so hopefully this shouldn't happen anymore. This little guy there, probably a little over 2 pounds, maybe even 3. Nice fish. Thank you very much for biting. Oh man, it has been a very slow morning, so that was exciting. I came out here once in the fall, very late fall. It was probably like, I think it was like -2 or something at the time, and I caught absolutely nothing that day. But one thing did happen, because it was so freaking cold. I guess one of my rods was really brittle. I went to reach back and cast, caught my other rod, and my rod just snapped in half. Holy shit. Now I picked up a couple of these ugly stick GX2s, supposedly unbreakable.